Welcome back to another episode of Cricket Talk with Sandeep Virk, and today I'll be talking about Yorker, the king of deliveries. As a young cricket enthusiast, growing up playing my favourite sport, I had always been looking to crush the batsman's toes or bowling those lethal bouncers at their faces. These two are the most lethal deliveries one can bowl in this game. And even out of these two deliveries, I'll say Yorker is the most difficult delivery to nail and even for a batsman to play, just because this comes right under your foot. So it gets difficult for any batsman to cramp for room and hit it over the field. What is a Yorker? As we can see in this image, batsman is standing right into that rectangle, which is also called the crease. So if a bowler anyhow delivers the ball into that rectangle or somewhere near to that popping crease on which he has placed his front foot, that will be considered as a Yorker. It's further divided into three types. The first one is full and straight, where the bowler steams into the crease and tries to bowl as quickly as possible. The second one is back of the hand slower Yorker, where the bowler, while delivering the ball, bowls it back of the hand, which completely deceives the batsman. The third one is flipping the fingers to bowl the cutters. Well, it is also a very effective Yorker, and yes, it is another slower Yorker.
Gone! That's the ball we were talking about. What a start for Australia.
Yeah, spot on, Mitchell Stark. This is what he does. Probably better than anybody else in the world.
There you go. A Lassit Malinga special. Crashes into middle stump.
Brilliant from Mark Wood. Follows up a quick bouncer to Lassit Malinga. A leg stump Yorker that knocks that leg stump flat.
Got him! Beautiful! Absolutely beautiful. Look at that smile from DJ Bravo. And what an El Dorado celebration.
High fives all round. And again, the classic slower one. A DJB special. On the move.
Oh, a ball is bowled him. Slower ball, you little beauty. That was a magnificent delivery. Quick enough to knock the bails off.
Well, quite clearly, it's a very big blow for New Zealand. A very good wicket for Pakistan. Might have got an edge or perhaps a little bit of a pad onto that, but really didn't.
Now we'll talk about how to counter Yorkers. So the first way is to stand deep into the crease. You don't need to be on the popping crease. Just stand deep on the crease. Make room on offside. Offside is the right hand side of the plate. So stand like this. Imagine the ball is coming to you. Go a bit deep. Now the second way to counter the Yorker is go deep into the crease. In the first way, we saw that we were using our back foot. Now we'll use our front foot to counter the Yorker in this one. So go deep into the crease, drive it to the offside. Now the third way is just stand into the crease. You don't have to be very deep right now. Now just wait for the bowler to bowl the ball. And if you are anticipating the ball to be a Yorker, the third way is you can jump out of your crease and make it a full toss, just like this. Now the other way is, you would have seen unorthodox players changing their feet movement quite quickly to adjust onto the crease. You would have seen unorthodox players like Glenn Maxwell and A.B. de Villiers do so. So if the ball is bowled right onto your leg stump and it's a lower full toss, you can counter it this way. Hope you all would have loved today's discussion and the techniques which I executed. We'll come up with something new shortly. Thank you.
तूने नीचे रखा था जब तू बोलना शुरू कर।